Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students. I welcome you in Pakistan International School Type Virtual Learning System. This is grade 1, third term. This is mathematics class. Today, we will do page number 120 and 121. 120 is not written in the your schema study, but just this is the introduction about the length. So also we will revise table of 6. So let us start. This is the page number 120, length, the meter rule. Meter rule is also called international rule. So meter rule, in length we use the meter rule, mean we measure different things in meters. For example, when you buy some things from cloth shop, you say that I need 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter cloth. And also we can measure the height of anything. I mean, we can say the height of this door is 2 meter, the height of this man is 3 meter, like this. So normally in the height of a person we measure in feet, but we can say that it is 1 meter because we know that in 1 meter how many feet? Feet. So the meter rule helps us measure length correctly. You can see the meter rule when you buy clothes or shirts and dresses. Moin uses it in his cloth shop. This is mine, and in his hand there is a cloth, and also look this one. There is a tape which is used to measure for measurement. Moin uses his measuring tape to measure cloth. He also uses a meter rule. The meter rule is used to measure long or tall things. First of all, we must know about that what is the rule to measure the things. We should know in 1 meter how many centimeter, in 1 meter how many feet, and 1 feet how many centimeter, like this. So we know about the different length of measuring length. So what is the meter? The rule is used to measure long or tall things. The length of this table is more than 1 meter. This is the table. So look, the length of this table is more than 1 meter, and the height of this plant is about 1 meter. About 1 meter means near about, it means maybe equal or some centimeter less or some centimeter more. Okay, so this is just in this page he is telling about the length, how you measure the different things. So this page is included in your schema study. Length, the meter, scale. Are these greater than 1 meter or less than 1 meter? Write greater sign or less sign in the empty boxes. One has been done for you. This is the two sign. You know about this sign. We have discussed about this. This sign is the first sign is used for the greater, and the second sign is used for the less. Okay, less than. When we say 5 is greater than 4, so we use the first this greater sign. Okay, so there are two sides of the sign. One side is open. Open if the side which is open, that should be greater number. So he's saying that or these greater than, or these greater than 1 meter or less than 1 meter. Write greater sign or less sign in the empty boxes. These are empty boxes are given. One has been done for you. The length of this, with this one, there is less than 1 meter. This is a screw, and we use for making the wood thing like wood, table, chair, cupboard. Number B, the height of an elephant is dash 1 meter. So height of an animal is greater than or less than? Anybody know? Yeah, height of an elephant is greater than 1 meter, because the height is, it may be 2 meter, 2.5 meter, 3 meters. Okay, because some animals are very high. C part, height of your teacher is dash 1 meter. So greater or less? So greater. Almost it may be height of a teacher, it may be 2 meter, 1.5 meter like this, 1.75 meter, 2 meter. So write greater sign. The length of your pencil is dash 1 meter. So length is greater or less? Always less, because it may be 0.2 meter or 0.1 meter, very less. Okay, boys. Activity. Now stand next to a meter scale. Are you taller or shorter than 1 meter? Now you can check yourself. Take a scale of 1 meter and then stand with that, and it check you are greater or smaller. I think because most students are uh, greater, taller than 1 meter mostly. Okay, because you are in class 1, so mostly it may be some are equal, some may be shorter than 1 meter, but you can check. So after checking, put the greater than, less than, or about in the boxes. For example, I am writing greater sign. So you write in this box greater sign, less than sign, or about sign. Okay, you have three options. About mean equal sign. Yeah, I am equal 1 meter, I am greater 1 meter, I am less 1 meter. So after checking yourself, then you write the sign here. Okay, so this is very easy. But today you learn about the length with the help of meter. Okay, students. Table of 6. Table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 six are 36. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. Everybody read with me. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. Okay? Again, one more time. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Okay? While again and again, I remind you, memorize the table, not only this, because this is in the region of the table of 6. So memorize all the table from 2 to 10. Table of 2, table of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Memorize all the table, okay? On daily basis, revise all the table. Now your homework, page number 121 in the book, and write table of 6 2 times. Okay, one time you write and then memorize, and then again write the second time. Okay, boys, inshallah, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.